So hi, hello everyone. I hope you all are good. So each and every videos I'm just getting good supports from you, all of you. I hope so. Your previous videos are you watched properly and also you understand about the videos. Please let me know the previous videos also. If you have any doubts, please comments below. I'll clarify you guys. So now we'll be today discuss about for something it's newer haircut which is called just basic sections, and just it will be used with a like elevation layers, it's long layers kind of it. So center profile we just take and just we took with the one side section. Now we just another side we're just going to be taking with the second sections. So in this haircut is pretty simple, and the guideline will be travel so long you can just watch till the end. You can just understand about proper video in this video. If you get any doubts, please let me know comments below. I'll definitely clarify you. In this haircut it will be going to be carry forward to the length will be remain the same, and top of that will be adding to the layers. And just we came back with the back portions, we can just take into the same one length. And top of that we just adding to the layers. This is one length basic haircut is majorly it's based to that something, it will be foundation up to the any of haircuts you can just do. Without the one length haircut, the haircut cannot be make it mentioned, but certain haircuts can be, we can do it something like a 180-degree haircuts and feather haircuts can be start by the front, and any other like creative haircuts also can be. So this is completely with take sections by pivoting section and traveling to the over directions. Let's keep like it will be completely forward to the taking to 360 angles from the backs to towards to the front. It will be travel the guidelines, and the bottom the hairline will be still remain rest. And the same thing we can just parallelly distributed of guidelines, and just previous guideline we can just we follow it up, and just according to the previous sections and according to the guidelines we just keep traveling to changing the position according to the head shape also. So this is one of the simplest haircut techniques, and also you guys to understand very easy for you. If it is any your clients will be expecting in haircuts, they want something long layers and also they want to be there save their hair length, this is one of the ultimately good haircut for them to recommendable. Definitely it will be going to be suits for them. And half of the section is going to be almost is finished. You can just see the easiest way to the guideline to carry forward approximately, and rest of the hair it will be cut off it. And this is very simple. It will be over direction up to the layering techniques. You can just traveling purpose only. It will be take little bit longer once you get a practice, but it will be prettiest easy for you to once done. And just techniques and just we following to the same guidelines and angle, holding, strength, and each and everything we just following the same steps. Remember guys, whenever you do the any haircut, the small steps will be taken good actions to get good results. Remaining like that, if you can just where you just holding and gripping and handling to the hair, and how you delivering and just how you cutting the hair, each and every pin points it will be majorly important to your impact for your haircuts. So almost the back portion is going to be finished, half of the hair is completely gone done, and very soon we come back to the side by section. To the side we can just say vertical sections and just cut it accordingly. And also for you guys I'm just we launched with something advanced haircut, but unfortunately got memory it's failed in that. So few steps will be refused to see in that haircut, but sure you guys are definitely will be like for it. So please let me know comments below. We are going to be reached with 1K family members. Please stay together and just share with your knowledge, and we get up to the free of knowledge. Please do watch all videos and get your good gain up to the knowledge. At least if you are freshers, please do practice at least 1 hour in a day, so that can be makes completely good perfections. Perfections makes always stronger than before, and perfection is makes to the perfect person. And anything if you can just dedicationally if you can just performing and practicing, that it will be make strong enough to be good knowledge purpose. and you will be almost super duper hairstylist in a one day. So this is my recommendations, and this is my pro motive to always be a motivate and as a hairdressers, and also new beginners also used to say these words always. So almost my half of the section is going to be finished, side bases, and we are coming back to other side sections, and just same technique we can just follow towards. This time we just standing in front of the dummy and behind of the head, we can just see the position will be changed, right? So in this we can just take to 0 angle of the one length haircuts, and just rest of the remain will start back for a cut the hair. See, I took with small section, we just start back with same angle. See, elevating completely to the over direction of the layering technique. So almost my cut is going to be finished, and this is the simplest way to be cut your haircuts for a who want expected for any of didn't want to be reduce the density and length. Hope so this is the best haircut for them to suitable purpose. Just do recommend and just do practice at least any of your clients for long hair. Definitely you can just get good results. Very soon we can just coming back for the concave layers also. That also is really good for a haircut, for ultimately suits for a straight to wavy hair. See the over direction how we elevating it completely to the layer. So my cut is completely finished. I'm just shaking up to the natural layers, and in that itself you'll be see a lot of movement on the hair. See from the back also you can just see completely shaking up to the sea. There is no tail in the bottom, so completely layer is flexibly falling down, and you can just see completely good layers on it. And just we do the just blast blow dry and messy up things which is can completely makes the hair a boost, a root shooter kind of. Hope so the previous videos you liked the guys, and also this video also I'm expecting at least minimum 500 likes. Please do share with your friends, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you like the videos, definitely will be coming up to the next video something different and upgrade videos, and I try to bring with a good models towards to in front of you. Keep engaging to the videos. When you will be get good knowledge, it will be your knowledge cannot be going a waste of anywhere. Today practice, tomorrow investment. Today dedication is tomorrow like it will be achievement kind of. See completely layer is falling down, and I can just see the massive look and all. So almost my cut is done. Hope you understand all the videos. I hope you all are understand. Until then, take care. We'll be meet up to the next video. Be safe. Take care. Bye.